Hi friends, welcome back to Love Medics. Did you think if we want, we raise the hand up? How it is possible? This because of the deltoid muscle. Deltoid muscle means what? It is a powerful muscle that surrounds the shoulder. This one is the deltoid muscle. This is the most common site for IM injection, intramuscular injection. Origin. Origin means the proximal end of attachment of muscle that does not move during action. See, this part does not move. Okay, that is the origin. Insertion. Insertion means distal end of the attachment of the muscle. Move during action. This end is the insertion that move during action. Next, origin. Now we see the origin of deltoid muscle. It has three parts: anterior, middle, and posterior. Anterior one arises from the clavicle bone, so that is called as clavicular part, and middle part arises from the acromion process, so that is called as acromial part, and the posterior one arises from the posterior spine of scapula, that is called spinal part. Parts of the deltoid muscle. Anterior one arises from the anterior border of the lateral one-third of the clavicle. Middle one arises from the lateral border of the acromion process, and the posterior one arises from the spine of the scapula. Incision. This is the deltoid tuberosity of the humerus. These three parts attached with the humerus bone. Blood supply. This one is the axillary artery, thoracoacromial artery, anterior circumflex artery, and posterior circumflex artery arises from the axillary artery. These arteries supplies the oxygenated blood to the deltoid muscle. Venous drainage. The deoxygenated blood drains from the deltoid muscle by cephalic vein, and it drains into the axillary vein. Innervation. Nerve supply of the deltoid muscle. The axillary nerve that innervates the deltoid muscle, that is arises from the cervical 5th and cervical 6th nerve. That axillary nerve branch from the brachial plexus. Action. The anterior fiber. This is the anterior fiber that is help for the flexion. This is the flexion, and the internal rotation or medial rotation, and the middle fiber that helpful for the abduction. Posterior muscle fiber that helps for the extension and the external rotation, that means lateral rotation. Now the structures undercover the deltoid muscle. Shoulder joint, coracoid process, upper end of humerus, axillary nerve, and anterior and posterior circumflex humeral vessels. In muscles, the insertion of the pectoralis minor, subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus. Short and long head of the biceps and long head of the triceps are undercover the deltoid muscle. Site of injection. This is the acromion process. 2 inches below the acromion process is the most common site for the injection. Overview of deltoid muscle. This is the powerful muscle. This is the common site for injection. It originates from the clavicle and acromion process and spinous process of the scapula. The insertion of the deltoid muscle is deltoid tuberosity of the humerus. Blood supply. Deltoid branch of the thoracoacromial artery, anterior and posterior humeral circumflex artery. Venous drainage, that is cephalic vein. Action. Anterior fibers helps for the flexion and medial rotation. Middle fiber helps for the abduction, and posterior fibers helps for the extension and the lateral rotation. Then nerve supply of the deltoid muscle is axillary nerve. Now question time. Insertion of the deltoid muscle is deltoid tuberosity of the humerus bone. Nerve supply of the deltoid muscle is axillary nerve. Action of the middle fiber of the deltoid muscle is abduction. My last video is mediastinum. Answer for the last questions. Anatomical region between two lungs is called mediastinum. Inferior relationship of mediastinum is diaphragm. Heart is situated in which mediastinum? That is the middle mediastinum. Thank you.